Hi there. Welcome to Wiki Health. Today I will share with you Raising HDL cholesterol, the good kind, does not have to focus on cutting foods from your diet. Here are the foods and drinks you should consume more to bump up your good cholesterol. The Mediterranean diet is a stellar place to start, as research has hinted that this whole foods-focused, healthy fat-strong eating plan is linked to better cholesterol and overall well-being. In particular, the foods below are proven to improve cholesterol by increasing HDL. Number 1. Purple produce. While eggplant, red cabbage, black raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries all taste quite different, all of these purple produce picks share a common feature that makes them all so vibrantly hued: antioxidants known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanin extracts have been shown to help combat inflammation, guard cells from potentially cancer-causing free radicals, and raise HDL cholesterol. Number 2. Olive oil. In addition to reducing heart disease risk, more than any other monounsaturated fat, olive oil has been proven to increase HDL cholesterol, likely due to its concentration of a certain form of antioxidant called polyphenols. Consuming about 4 tablespoons of olive oil daily for just 6 weeks improved the HDL cholesterol and reduced chronic inflammation among senior participants in a 2013 study in the archives of gerontology and geriatrics. Before you invest in a bottle, study up on what to look for when buying olive oil. Number 3. Fatty fish. Beyond reducing inflammation and heart disease risk, omega-3 fats, found in impressive amounts in fatty fish and fish oil supplements, may help elevate low HDL cholesterol levels. According to a 2016 study in the British Journal of Nutrition, eating fish 4 times per week for 8 weeks noticeably moves the needle, reports 2014 research in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology. Salmon, herring, sardines, mackerel, and trout are among the best seafood sources of omega-3 fats. Number 4. Avocado. In other heart-healthy fat news, this toast topper are packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, which pack a 1-2 punch for healthier cholesterol. These lower LDL while boosting HDL. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, eating 1 avocado a day for 5 weeks, while following a moderate fat diet, 34% of calories from fat, 51% carbohydrates, and 16% protein, improved total cholesterol, triglycerides, LDL, and HDL. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends who need this. Thank you.